สายชนที่ไหลรินยามเหงาเราถอนใจเมื่อมองดูสาย
Our best season, 100,000 views, the good old days.
That's a tourist.
Eh? We are the tourists? No! That was our best season! Ah! My dictionary! You are only 3 years old!
A tourist photographs a word and leaves it where it lies. We do not. A word lives where it was born.
So we travel. Where to, Master? England? Rome?
I'll pack the passport.
Not where. When. Every word was born on a day some master made it long ago. And it still lives back there. So we go to that day. We invade the past. And we take the word back. Alive.
The past. You mean time travel? Then we take her. My Vespa crossed the Sahara twice. A few centuries, nothing.
Eh? 500 years? In that rust bucket?
Oh, I forgot the gas.
Then we invade the gas station first.